Welcome to another animal encounter here at Reaseheath Mini Zoo. I'm here with Ross, our large hairy armadillo, and he's just having a bit of a back scratch. So these are the largest of the armadillo species, and he is from South America. So they're doing pretty well in the wild, even though they have a lot of pressures like roads and hunting and agricultural land, but they are doing quite well. As you can see, he's got some very big claws on the front, and what he does with those is he spends most of his life underground. So Ross is one of the newest animals that we have here in the zoo, and as you can see, he likes mealworms very much, and he uses his nose to sniff them out, and then if any drop on the floor, he will dig for them with those big strong claws. These guys are omnivores, so in the wild they eat mainly insects, but they do eat plants, and they also eat small birds and mammals as well. And they're called large hairy armadillo because he's got quite a hairy tummy, and he's got a lot of hairs on his armour plating on his back as well. And they don't grow much bigger than this, but they are one of the largest armadillo species. So armadillo in Spanish actually means little armoured one, and that's because of those bony armour plates that are all the way down his body that he uses for protection from predators. So they have a soft tummy and then these armoured plates to so they can protect their soft body bits so they don't get eaten. So things like pumas and snakes and stuff like that would try and hunt them in the wild. He's being very good today. He might actually fall asleep on me in a minute. So armadillos are also quite a lazy species, and they can sleep for up to 16 hours a day, and then they get up and forage for their insects and other food sources. And they have a special adaptation, so they don't breathe soil in. So they can breathe the air around the soil and not breathe any soil particles in, and that's how they can spend most of their time underground. So you can see that he's got quite small eyes, and that's because he hasn't got that good eyesight, because he is nocturnal and he does spend most of his time underground.